crochet lovers, and welcome to my YouTube channel Spaß mit Faden. Today I want to show you how I created this beautiful hairbands. As you can see, you can crochet them very easily. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel Spaß mit Faden so that we can crochet more often together, and I really hope that you enjoy the instruction now. To crochet now together with me a beautiful hairband, you will of course need some yarn, a 4mm hook, some scissors and a yarn needle, and I really hope that you enjoy the video now. I now want to start to crochet my beautiful headband by creating a slip knot first. Then I want to grab my hook and insert my hook into that slip knot and pull my slip knot tight. Now I want to start to crochet chains. This is my first, my second, my third, fourth and fifth chain. Please crochet now in total 45 chains. Now that I crocheted my 45 chains, what I want to do is to crochet 2 more chains. Then I want to insert my hook into the third chain from my hook and crochet 3 double crochets into it. This was now my first double crochet. I insert my hook into the same chain and crochet my second and my third double crochet. Then I want to crochet 2 chains and turn my work around. Now I want to crochet onto that first stitch 2 double crochets. This was my first double crochet. I insert my hook again into the same stitch and crochet my second double crochet. Into the middle stitch, I now want to crochet 1 double crochet. Then I want to crochet into my last stitch 2 double crochets again. This is now my first double crochet, my second double crochet, and then again I want to crochet 2 chains and turn my work around. Now I want to crochet on top of that first stitch again 2 double crochets. This was my first and my second double crochet. Onto that following stitch I want to crochet 1 double crochet. Onto the following stitch again I want to crochet 1 double crochet, and on top of the following stitch too I want to crochet 1 double crochet. We now crocheted 3 double crochets along the row. On top of that last stitch I want to crochet again 2 double crochets. This was my first and my second double crochet. Every following row I now want to crochet the exact same way as I want to show you now. You always crochet for the beginning of your row 2 chains and turn your work around. Then you want to crochet on top of each of those stitches 1 double crochet. This is basically all you want to do, and in total you want to crochet 26 rows. This means you want to start to count with this row right here, and then you want to crochet, as I said, very simply by crocheting on top of each stitch 1 double crochet. At the end of your row you then want to crochet again your 2 chains and turn your work around. Crochet now with this pattern in total 26 rounds, please. I now crocheted in total my 26 rows. As you can see, it just turned out very beautiful. What I now want to do is to crochet the little V at the end again. For this, in row number 27, I now want to crochet first 2 chains and then turn my work around. This very first stitch you want to skip and stitch onto the following second stitch and crochet your first double crochet. You now want to crochet double crochets along the row until you have just 2 double crochets left at the end. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just crocheting my double crochets. As you can see, I now have 2 stitches left at the end, and there I just want to crochet 1 decrease. As you can see, I now want to pull my yarn through all of those 3 loops, crochet again 2 chains and turn my work around. You again want to skip the first stitch and crochet on each of your double crochets 1 double crochet until you have at the end again just 2 stitches left, because these we want to crochet again together with a decrease. And there I have now 2 stitches left, as you can see. Oh, I crocheted 1 double crochet too much. So now I have 2 stitches left, as you can see, and I want to crochet again 1 decrease on top of it like this. And after my decrease, I again want to crochet 2 chains and just turn my work around. This time I have 3 stitches right here. The first one I want to skip again and crochet my last decrease on top of the last 2 stitches, as you can see, like this. And now what I want to do, I just created a little V again, as you can see. We started with the little V and we finished this whole thing with the little V too, is to crochet again 45 chains. This was my first, second, third, fourth and fifth chain, and once I crocheted my 45 chains, I want to show you the beautiful end result. Now that I completed it, my pink hairband as well, this is the beautiful end result. I really hope that you enjoyed to crochet together with me, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel Spaß mit Faden and like and comment this video. I really hope that you have a lot of fun with crocheting.